Hey everyone, I'm really excited. We've got what is, I hope, to be the last version of Q. They've gone through and made a huge amount of improvements. You'll see when you get to the point where you've got it all loaded up. But in order to do that, let's go in here to our Fire Stick. We'll go down here to the icon all the way to the far right. You'll go down here to Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Then you'll scroll down using that black button till you see Q. And you can see over here it has, if you want to uninstall, you press the button that has the play arrow and the pause feature on it at the same time. That's that center one. Select that and confirm. Now it's uninstalling. Now you'll have to go into Downloader as well. Downloader. And you'll want to uninstall it from there as well. So I must have uninstalled it at some point, so now I have to reinstall it. But if I go up here to Files, it has the file in there, and you'll go in here and hold the center button and delete that file as well. So now then you go up here to the Home, and then you can go up here and type in your QPAC code. So you go in here and you'll type in Q A P K Yugo.com. And if you don't have your settings set to install unknown apps, which mine wasn't, you have to go in there and do that, and then you'll go back and install. Then you'll go over to Open. And it says add new source. You hit yes, add new source. You'll select Q Streaming, go over to next. And then you can see where it says server, skip this section. You go down here to username, put in your username. It'll take you to that screen. Okay, once you put in your username, that'll take you to the next screen, which is your password. So once you got your password in, you'll just go to the next. So then you go over, and everything's already selected for you. Just go next. And then Q Streaming is already in there, so you just go add. And then you go over to done. And then you'll see where it has channels, logo types, programs. It'll take a few seconds for it to all finish up, but once it's done, it will come up to the very first screen, which I believe is Adult Swim, probably, since it's the A's. Really cool thing about the new guide, you're going to be able to sort faster through everything, add your favorites just as fast as you used to. But the nice thing is you'll be able to move your guide around. So if you want to have ABC, CBS, NBC, all your local channels at the very top of your guide on your favorites, you can do that. And I'll show you here in a little bit how that works. There's some really new features. It's very intuitive. It's a little different from the previous premium version, but I've had very little buffering, and I've been using it for the last couple of days. It's done really well for me. I think everybody's going to like this. It's very intuitive and looks very similar to some of the other streaming apps that are out there in the market as far as ease of use. And then when that's all done, you just hit close. And yeah, I was right. Adult Swim is the first one that comes up. That's it for now. Happy streaming, and I'll put another video out on how to use the new controls.